Namaste children. Today we are going to see Sankhyaha. Already we have seen Sankhyaha from number 1 to 50. Now we'll continue that and now we'll see from 51 to 100. Now we shall see from 51 to 60. Ekapanchashat 51, Dvipanchashat 52, Tripanchashat 53, Chatushpanchashat 54, Panchapanchashat 55, Shatpanchashat 56, Saptapanchashat 57, Ashtapanchashat 58, Navapanchashat 59 and Shashtihi to 60. Now I again repeat the numbers from 51 to 60. 51 Ekapanchashat, 52 Dvipanchashat, 53 Tripanchashat, 54 Chatushpanchashat, 55 Panchapanchashat, 56 Shatpanchashat, 57 Saptapanchashat, 58 Ashtapanchashat, 59 Navapanchashat, 60 Shashtihi. Now we shall see the numbers from 61 to 70. Ekashashtihi 61, Dvishashtihi 62, Trishashtihi 63, Chatushashtihi 64, Panchashashtihi 65, Shatshashtihi 66, Saptashashtihi 67, Ashtashashtihi 68, Navashashtihi 69, Saptatihi 70. Now again I repeat the numbers. 61 Ekashashtihi, 62 Dvishashtihi, 63 Trishashtihi, 64 Chatushashtihi, 65 Panchashashtihi, 66 Shatshashtihi, 67 Saptashashtihi, 68 Ashtashashtihi, 69 Navashashtihi and 70 Saptatihi. Now we shall see the numbers from 71 to 80. Ekasaptatihi 71, Dvisaptatihi 72, Trisaptatihi 73, Chatusaptatihi 74, Panchasaptatihi 75, Shatsaptatihi 76, Saptasaptatihi 77, Ashtasaptatihi 78, Navasaptatihi 79, Ashitihi 80. And now I repeat it again. 71 Ekasaptatihi, 72 Dvisaptatihi, 73 Trisaptatihi, 74 Chatusaptatihi, 75 Panchasaptatihi, 76 Shatsaptatihi, 77 Saptasaptatihi, 78 Ashtasaptatihi, 79 Navasaptatihi and 80 Ashitihi. Now we'll see numbers from 81 to 90. Ekashitihi 81, Dvayashitihi 82, Trayashitihi 83, Chaturashitihi 84, Panchashitihi 85, Shadashitihi 86, Saptashitihi 87, Ashtashitihi 88, Navashitihi 89 and Navatihi 90. I repeat the numbers. 81 Ekashitihi, 82 Dvayashitihi, 83 Trayashitihi, 84 Chaturashitihi, 85 Panchashitihi, 86 Shadashitihi, 87 Saptashitihi, 88 Ashtashitihi, 89 Navashitihi and 90 Navatihi. Now we'll see numbers from 91 to 100. Ekanavatihi 91, Dvinavatihi 92, Trinavatihi 93, Chaturnavatihi 94, Panchanavatihi 95, Shannavatihi 96, Saptanavatihi 97, Ashtanavatihi 98, Navanavatihi 99, Shatam 100. So again I repeat the numbers. 91 Ekanavatihi, 92 Dvinavatihi, 93 Trinavatihi, 94 Chaturnavatihi, 95 Panchanavatihi, 96 Shannavatihi, 97 Saptanavatihi, 98 Ashtanavatihi, 99 Navanavatihi, 100 Shatam. With this, we have come to the end of this session, which has numbers from 50 to 100. So I'll see you all again in another session. Thank you.